A North Wales farmer faced a devastating loss when two XL bully dogs, which had escaped from their home, rampaged through his farm near Wrexham. The dogs killed 22 sheep, injured numerous others, and caused over £14,000 in damages. Faced with a horrific scene, the farmer had no choice but to shoot and kill the aggressive dogs as they posed a grave threat. In court, David Hughes, the owner of the dogs, admitted to charges of having a dangerously out-of-control dog and owning a dog that worried livestock. He was fined £900 and banned from keeping dogs for 5 years. PC Chris James from North Wales Police applauded the court's decision, acknowledging the emotional and financial impact on the farmer. Livestock attacks are distressing not only for the animals but also for their keepers. The costs, both emotional and financial, associated with such incidents are unacceptable. This case serves as a stark reminder that dog owners must take responsibility for their pets to prevent tragic consequences.